Hello traders, this is MsPutOptions. My website is www.MsPutOptions.com, where my website can be best accessed via Internet Explorer and not Google Chrome. Today we're going to briefly talk about my customized iron condor that I placed on yesterday. And as you can see, when I placed it on yesterday, I was able to close it on yesterday, which means that I have a closing order just in case the trade does not go in my favor, or if the trade does go in my favor, that I am able to close the trade. And as you can see, as soon as I placed it, I closed the trade. However, the trade is still in progress. So as of right now, as you can see, it's a Google trade that I placed. And what we want with the customized iron condor, we want either the put side, which you see I have my 540 put or my 545 put. We want either the put side to be in the money, which it is, or we want the call side to be in the money, which it is not. So either one. So whichever one is in the money, that is the one that we sell back. And as you can see, I have my 540 put. This is my short put. I have my 545 put. This is my long put. I have my 545 call. This is my long call. And I have my 550 call. This is my short call. So in a nutshell, what's going on right now, I need this stock to stay either below my short put, which is 540, or above my short call, which is 550. And as you can see, the reason why I am in the money is because Google is now trading for $535.91. So this makes my 540, 545 put options. It makes those two strike prices in the money. And these are the two that I will sell back. Now, if Google goes higher than this, I would need it to go higher than 550 in order to be successful with this trade. So let's do a recap. It either has to be higher than 540 at the end of today, or it needs to be, I'm sorry, did I say higher? I meant lower than 540 at the end of the day, or it needs to be higher than 550 at the end of the day in order for me to be successful at this trade. And that means I would have collected, which I've already collected, $200. And when I placed the trade, I closed the trade myself just in case. Like I said, on yesterday I was en route, I was in on an airplane, so just in case things didn't go as a plan, I was able to close the trade depending upon where the stock was at that particular time. So when I closed the trade, I did a good until cancel, which means the numbers that I've decided upon to close these trades are good until cancel until I otherwise tell Thinkorswim to do so. So as you can see right now, my put side, we already talked about it, my puts down here are in the money because Google is trading for 536.50. Well, now it's 536.33. And as you can see, the market price for those strike prices are $3.70. So I need to sell this back for $5 in order for me to obtain the $200 credit. Now, I've already received the credit, but I am just waiting for my collateral to be freed up. And today is going to be, even though today is Thursday, tomorrow is Good Friday. So today is going to be our Good Friday because the market is going to be closed on tomorrow. So today is actually 4/17, 2014. Now, I do not expect you to understand all the ins and outs concerning this particular trade, especially if you're a beginner trader, but I'm just showing you how you can place a trade, and regardless if the stock is up or regardless if the stock is down, you can be successful as long as the stock does not fall in between my two long options, which is my 545. Now, let's just say hypothetically it falls between my 540 put and my 545 put, then this is when the intrinsic value will come into play. But right now, we won't talk about all that. You first have to be a beginner trader to really grasp this entire concept. And my website again is www.MsPutOptions.com. If you have any questions, you can email me at MsPutOptions@gmail.com. Again, thank you for watching my video, and you have a good day.